everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day, because I'm, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, disco. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be really honest with you guys. This coin has seen a bunch of growth, okay? And everything that we're seeing here, you know, where disco comes in and sees all the OGs, all the gangsters, all the top market cap plays by Matt Fury, ladies and gentlemen, all of that is very true. You know, disco belongs in this social circle. Obviously, disco looks a bit, a bit scared, worried, nervous, anxious, and so on. But it's just a matter of time. The bills are pouring down. Growth is to be seen and is already seen. So for sure, if we look at the charts, absolutely love the market cap. You know, I started covering it around these levels over here. So for sure, all this growth has been incredible. Pumped over 3 million, reached an all-time high. It's still trending. Everybody's still talking about it. This is a good play with more than 100K in volume, lots and lots of buys, percentages are green. The X account is active, ladies and gentlemen. If you look at this, if you dive deep in the memeverse, Disco United with the boys club for the last dance, don't be late to the party. Okay, some strong words here. And we are seeing a lot of influencers talking about it. You can put disco anywhere, on a different planet with Elon Musk, in any setting you want. Okay, disco belongs everywhere. And that's why it's going to be getting a lot of exposure, a lot of pumps. We're going to see a lot of KOLs talking about disco. Right now, you know, the socials are filled with different videos, with different influencers talking about it. So I love this. You know, the team is doing everything to push it as hard as possible. They genuinely have a budget for marketing. They have good intentions. And if you are active, obviously you will hear about exchanges here, about great things that are supposed to happen to disco. So this is just the start. Keep pushing, keep going, because it's just getting excited. This is just the start of things. Now, another thing that needs to be said is that we, ladies and gentlemen, are so lucky to be in the era where we can spot these incredible memes, invest into them, and genuinely make a bunch of money. Like before, you'd have to get a 9-to-5 job, you know, you'd have to work, and maybe in 40, 50 years you were promised, you know, to finally be able to save some money. And here, all you have to do is literally find one good play, and that's it. It changes your life. Now, what is my prediction for this? Guys, over 100 million. I believe it has that potential. We have the bull run, the altcoin season around the corner. We have a lot of things that are going to be happening. So it's important that you pay attention. The holder count is going up. We're going to hit 2K very soon. People are asking me all the time, messaging me about disco. So there is genuine interest behind it. And you have some big players. So imagine what is going to happen in the next weeks. Do check it out. I am going to leave all the links down below so you can read more about it, you know, get into the tokenomics. Everything that you guys want to know is on the website, on Deck Screener, on the socials. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. Really do appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.